Say hi, everyone. Can you say hi? Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. And what's your name? What's your name? Okay. Today, we are going to be making smashed potatoes with fingerling potatoes. I love this recipe because the potatoes are buttery and delicious and crispy. I like to do them so they're crispier on the edges, but still really soft and delicious inside. So good. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. This child loves it, so I know you will. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Can you say bye? Good job. Little kiss. Good job. Good job.